guys, hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. I'm getting ready to head out and I thought I'd do a day in a life video with you guys. Pardon the gray hair, it looks terrible today. I washed my hair this morning and I'm like, girl, you need some help. And I do. I went to go make a hair appointment after my meeting this morning and they're closed on Monday, I forgot. So yeah, I have to take a dress back to Stein Mart today. And I got to do my grocery shopping and I'm gonna go have dinner at Shelby Farms Park if the rain holds off. So I'm praying it does, and because it's cooler today and it's supposed to get really hot next week and we won't really want to be outside. So I'm gonna show you guys my picnic basket and then I'm gonna get in the car and get rolling. Okay, you guys seen my picnic basket before because I did pack a picnic with me. And you guys know I'm doing a 17-day diet. By the way, those ramen noodles there are not mine. Those are Dylan's. He's not doing the diet with me. So, well, he kind of is because whatever I cook, he has to eat, right? So I've got grilled chicken in here. These little cups are my Greek yogurt and my berries. I've got some grapes and some cantaloupe in here for Dylan. And I have 3 salads over here that I already pre-made, and down underneath I have napkins and silverware. So we're gonna get going. I love this picnic basket. It's so cute. I'll try to leave a link down below if you guys are interested in it. Excuse my door, it's open. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the car and let's get started. Made it to Stein Mart. Got my receipt. Gonna take my dress back. It's probably a good thing because today I actually had to wear a belt with my jeans because they are too big. So I think this dress in the long run will just not even fit me anyways. And that's a good feeling when you're on a diet. Kind of big for Snowball.
No, it's not.
It might be.
She has a baby doll.
A pillow for us dieters. Chocolate is good, but shoes are fat free. Now I need to go shoe shopping. We're looking at fall scents. These are $1.99. But aren't these pretty? And this soap smells so good. Dylan's like, we don't need the soap. You got one?
Are you grown up enough? Drink the coffee.
Hey guys, so we stopped off at IKEA because the lighting that I had that we put into my bedroom that I mentioned in a previous vlog came from IKEA, and so they have these specific light bulbs, and right now the bulbs that's in it doesn't match and it doesn't look very good. So we ran in there to get some bulbs. Now we're in a different part of town, and we had went to Costco last week. By the time you see this, it'll be last week, to get some spinach, and they didn't have any at our local Costco. And since we are at a different part of town, I just ran in to get some, see if they have some spinach, because we have been eating spinach like crazy. We went to Tuesday morning after we took the dress back to Steinmart, and I bought some fall soap for the house, out of all things. And what else did I buy at Tuesday morning? Some glasses. What was the other thing? Salad dressing. Olive Garden salad dressing. That's what I bought. I couldn't remember. So anyways, the reason why we did that is because we have the picnic back here, and I forgot to pack the salad dressing. Well, we are out here at Shelby Farms trying to find a picnic table, and there was some guy napping on the picnic table we just packed. So we'll see what we can find. Maybe somebody will wake up from their nap and we can eat. Here, put your hand around me. Let me show you something. Oh!
Thanks a lot.
Okay, now we're gonna lead with this foot. Ready?
Here you go. And then you can film it.